Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Earth Science Regents step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and topics covered. Next, collect all your study resources, especially the Earth Science reference tables, which are crucial. Then, develop a structured study plan, allocating specific times for each subject area. This systematic approach ensures you cover all essential material effectively and efficiently, building confidence for test day. Now, let's dive into content review. Focus on major topics such as Earth's dynamic processes, weather and climate, and astronomical phenomena. Pay close attention to interpreting scientific diagrams, topographic maps, and various data sets, as these are heavily tested. Regularly work through previous Regents exams to understand question styles and identify areas needing more attention. Aim for at least 2 full practice tests. A key to success is mastering the Earth Science reference tables. Practice locating information quickly and accurately, as many questions directly relate to these tables. Develop strategies for tackling multiple choice and constructed response questions, understanding what examiners are looking for. Consider forming a study group. Discussing concepts with peers can clarify difficult areas and offer new perspectives, making your learning more robust and enjoyable. For your final preparation, dedicate time to a thorough review of all content, focusing on any remaining weak spots. Ensure you get plenty of rest the night before the exam and approach it with a calm, confident attitude. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Stay hydrated, eat a good breakfast, and trust in your hard work. You've prepared well, so go in and do your best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.